Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Toppers World, and this video is all about advanced level of vocabulary that you can use in writing tasks or as well as in speaking. So the first of all, there are few words that I have written in the left side, and these words you need to avoid in writing as well as in speaking. The better ideas, the great ideas can be expressed only if you have high level of words. So for a simple word like get or to get, you should use obtain, achieve, receive, give, present, provide. This essay provides information about or the problem has been presented in a very elaborated manner. So or very should be avoided. Instead you should use extremely. It's extremely hot today rather than saying that it's so hot or it's very hot. To show can be written as to illustrate, to demonstrate, to reveal. This can be used by you in writing task 1. The provided figures clearly reveal that. Okay, so next the word bad. Bad is really very bad word, so instead of you should say poor or negative. A bad performance, a bad impression, a poor performance, like this way. Rich, well off, better off, wealthy, affluent, prosperous. Many countries who used a lot of science and technology became prosperous. Poor, disadvantaged, needy, impoverished, deprived, underprivileged. So such kind of vocabulary we often use in various kind of essays that are related to economy. Wrong, incorrect, false, erroneous, fallacious, inaccurate, cheap, inexpensive, affordable, reasonable. For expensive, you should use costly, overpriced. Enough, sufficient, adequate. Then helpful means beneficial, valuable, advantageous. The next is as a result. So instead of this, you should say or use word consequently. Bad effects, repercussions or ramifications or adverse effects. Think, ponder. Believe becomes reckon. Dirty, filthy. Polluted, contaminated. And the next is rejuvenate, refresh. After having cup of coffee, I feel refreshed. Or you can also use word rejuvenated. So both are acceptable. Deep, profound, lively, dynamic. Lively personality means dynamic personality. Carefully, sincerely can be replaced with word prudently. Okay, so for word like famous or public figure, renowned, you should use word eminent. Eminent personality. Now the kind of word you should avoid in IELTS writing should not use nutshell. Instead you should use to conclude or in conclusion. Nutshell is informal. A couple of means several. So couple of should be avoided. Kind of, sort of. Lot of or lots of should be replaced with many and much. They are better. Kids, informal, you should use children. For you, one can, you should write in third person. And your, whenever you have to use word like your, instead you make a passive voice sentence over there. A phone can be used with, like a telephone is better. An info is a short, it's not acceptable in writing, so full word, an information. An advert will become an advertisement.